some chicken foot soup. As you can see, cut up the pumpkin, the carrot, cut up a piece of the Irish. I have my Greek stock soup, spicy, and the Maggi either. So come Asan, listen to me now, man. So the Maggi here, and so we need the flour here. Put it down, and a nice piece of the pum yam. Drop this in my soup, you know. So the chicken foot is on the stove, bubbling. I'll show you that in a short while because I have the baby here. I don't know what doing. Just want to sit down, just want to hop in on my own. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be cooking chicken foot soup today. So here is the chicken foot simmering down in the pot. Yeah. Wow, flame. So guys, chicken foot deal with itself. So as soon as it half cook, then we'll put the pumpkin and the carrot to boil for a little while. So we are ready to pour the carrot and the Irish. So guys, we're ready to pour the pumpkin and the carrot into the pot along with the chicken foot. So we're gonna allow this to boil for a little while. Listen, so my son is tired of the food at school and said he don't want no more rice, especially white rice. So I'm gonna sit with us and make some soup for him today. So I know he will enjoy this, yes. And he love chicken foot too. So I'm gonna allow this to boil for a little while. Then I'm going to add the flour and so forth. So just stay tuned for that, guys. Stay tuned. So guys, this is the caramel flour. Caramel of in my flour. And soup don't nice without flour. So I'm gonna put everything in the pot now. Just I'm gonna put everything one time. So I'm going to form out the dumpling them and put them in the pot. So I have to be videoing and doing this at the same time. So I'm going to pause. I'll soon get a cameraman for this, you know. But for now, it's just me one, okay? So guys, I just put in the dumpling in the pot. So maybe too much water in there, but try to make it stay. It'll boil out. So I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to boil for the pot catch up back. And then now I add the Irish and the what else? The yam. I make them boil a little, then I add the rest of the ingredients. So for now I'm going to cover it up and make it simmer a little bit, people. Alright, so it's time to put in the yam. Cut them pretty small. Drop them in. Probably put up too much, but let me just put in these. Let me see how much can go in there. And then I have to cover it up again. Try stirring. And wait for these to cook. And then add the cock soup and the rest of the ingredients to the pot. Alright, so I'm gonna cover it up. Stay tuned again. So guys, it is simmering down. To get the color now. So after the food cook, I will be adding the other ingredients to it. So watch girl soup. Pot can look like it full up though, you know, but trust me, when me done boil soup, nothing I will left. Guarantee that. Nothing might have need more. But make it go and simmer down people. Simmer. So guys, so I'm putting the cock soup. So this is Maggi cock soup. So I'm putting it into the dish. So I'm going to use some warm water to mix it out. Because sometimes when you put it in the pot, it kind of take long to dissolve. So I'm going to use some of the warm water and mix it out. And then pour it in the pot. Okay guys, so I'm going to put in the cock soup in there. Don't mind the dumpling them, and some like them. Some people make small spinners, but me like them as it is, because you can't drink soup without dumpling. That's enough soup. So I'm find a little piece of time, run out of season. Well, this can do it. So I'm just putting these in the pot and then let it simmer down. So I'm going to put some jerk seasoning there because I don't have any pimento seed, so I'm going to use a jerk season, kind of give it some flavor. Don't mind, it's in the Maggi buckle, yeah, but turn and make fashion. So after this, I just let it boil until all of the food then cook. People, look at rich soup. Rich gal soup. Right? This we are gonna mash up in the night. Rainfall. Hey, you know when rainfall and you do it like a soup, you feel nice. Until it's a piece of rainfall. Today, so the place cool. Remember say country we live, you know. Mash up the soup here tonight. So make it go and bubble like them girl, bubble. Like this. Keep go and simmer down people. Simmer. So when we come back, it's time to share. So guys, we just turn off the stove. So I'm about to share this. So guys, this is my soup. So thank you for cooking with me today. I know my son is gonna enjoy this. Watch soup. Watch girl soup. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you do enjoy this small video. And just continue to, like, share and subscribe. Tune in for more videos. So I will be doing a lot of cooking most of the time. So just watch out for more videos, new things coming your way. So me I gonna mash up my soup. Yeah, girl good. Yeah, girl soup come out. Good girl soup come out. Watch a nice chicken foot in a plate. Hey, I'm gonna mash up this right now. What wanna say? Wanna like it? Wanna like the chicken foot soup? So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you do enjoy this video. It's not long, but I will be inviting you to my kitchen now and then when I'm doing something. I just take you along with me, guys. Whether it be a little flash out we're gonna look about, which is we call it tin mackerel, or something, any little thing that I'm going to prepare, I might just invite you guys. So thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So guys, I'm diving into this soup. Hey, I'm not even a sit down nowhere but on my bed right now. Mash it up. Nice. Piece of yum, yeah. My God. Hey, too bad. The one they bone me.